Start. The legal profession is recognized as sui generis and stands out among other professions due to its distinctive nature, where the lawyers often find themselves operating in an environment where control is elusive. Stop. Unlike many other professions where practitioners may have a higher degree of control over their surroundings, the lawyers frequently navigate through complex legal landscapes shaped by diverse factors. Stop para. One of the primary distinctions of legal profession is the inherent complexity of legal issues. Stop. Lawyers must grapple with intricate statutes, case laws and regulatory frameworks, which often lack definitive answers. Stop. Legal disputes frequently involve multiple parties with conflicting interests, further complicating the matters. Stop. Unlike some other professions where problems may have more straightforward solutions, the lawyers often face ambiguity and uncertainty in their work, making control over outcomes elusive. Stop. The adversarial dynamics have an element of unpredictability, as outcomes depend not only on the lawyer's skill and knowledge but also on the strategies employed by opposing counsel and the decisions of judges. Stop. Lawyers are bound by ethical and professional obligations that constrain their autonomy and control over their work. Stop. Adherence to the codes of conduct, client confidentiality, and obligations to the court limit the freedom of lawyers to act solely in their own interest or according to their preferences. Stop para. Unlike any other profession, where professionals are in control of their surrounding fully, legal profession is the sole profession, where advocates have no control over their environment. Stop. The environment they work in is controlled by the presiding judge. Stop. The Bar Council of India rules prescribe at least 4 sets of duty that a lawyer has to oblige, which duty to the court, duty to the client, duty to opponent and duty to colleagues, in no particular order. Stop. These duties are sometimes conflicting in nature, however, whenever a conflict arises, the duty to court is considered to be paramount. Stop. Unlike the medical profession, where scientific standards exist to decide the standard of care, there is no universal standard of care or objective test that exists or can be prescribed as the threshold in the case of legal profession to adjudicate upon the question of abdication of duty to care. Stop para. He submitted that the first category of advocates would not come within the purview of a service provider under the CP Act, as in that case the advocate acts as a representative or agent of the client. Stop. He further submitted that it is open to a party to plead and appear in person in the court. Stop.